something exciting is going to be happening very shortly. Myself and a colleague, Kurt Scott, and another colleague of mine, Lloyd Chambers, both friends, colleagues, like-minded people with a mission. We are hoping to start to reach out to people in our community, particularly men who want to empower themselves in a different way to the normal workshops, utilizing a combination of techniques and approaches using ancient methods from Oriental culture, plus learning some interesting ways in which to move the body, breathe, hold stillness, hold space, generate and cultivate internal energy, and prosper towards a better life, towards a life that can build harmony and help to release the old and bring in the new. And how do we do this? We do this through a combination of systems from China, from Asia. We'll be utilizing healthy food, meditation, learning how to become still, but also learning how to become strong and resilient, building appropriate boundaries, and then learning useful skills that we have lost. And we plan to do this in a secret location in Ireland, a place where there is stillness and beauty. And we're looking for a small but dedicated group of males, anything from 18 to 118, who wish to really cultivate themselves, get some time away from the craziness and the madness, and learn to be amongst men as a man, fostering goodwill, intent, health, and peace of mind. So thanks for watching. I'm Anthony Monteith, the True Life Academy. Stay tuned, see what's going to come. I'm not going to give too much away. Plans are afoot. Thank you for watching.